Hey there! Starting in 2024, your email marketing might become more difficult. And why is that so? This is because Google is going to implement some new security measures in place in order to stop inbox spam, which has become rampant in the past few years. So starting in 2024, Google will allow bulk senders to authenticate their emails, which will allow for easy unsubscription, and the emails will stay under a reported spam threshold. So Gmail is going to enforce these requirements for bulk senders by February 2024. And once that's implemented, Gmail will start to require that bulk senders need to authenticate their email, they need to enable easy unsubscription, and they need to ensure that they are sending email which is actually wanted by the users. Now, if you are somebody who's already on HubSpot or your domain is on HubSpot, there is something that HubSpot is going to add which can be really beneficial to you so that you can avoid all of those spam filters and actually go forth with your email marketing plan with ease. This is going to be known as SPF or DMARC for all, DMARC for all. So what is this? Now, in order to have such features on your email sending domain, firstly log into your HubSpot account. Then once you are inside your HubSpot account, go to the settings tab, and then over here on the left side, go to the website section. Here go to domains and URL section. Now when you are in the website section, in the domains and URL section, you can see that there's an option for email sending domains. So they have now an option where they tell you about how DKIM or DMARC are something which are mandatory, and when we connect an email sending domain and then click on next, and then your emails will be sent out from name@immortaliseo.com, the option, click on next. We need to do a manual setup process in order to modify the domain records. Firstly, there is an easy option to easily change everything and connect it directly to Cloudflare through the integration. Otherwise, there are options to have SPF and DMARC. All of them are now supported that you can add it to your DNS providers so that Google knows that you are not somebody who's spamming. So DMARC supports a healthy sending reputation, and it is something which will become mandatory by Gmail in the near future. Similarly, SPF is something which builds up subscriber trust. So now that our domain already has an SPF record, so that's not an issue at all. And other than that, DKIM is also required. So these are the things which are required in order to send emails which are not flagged as spam. And once everything has been connected, you can click on verify. And once all of this is done, it will show that the verification is complete and you would be good to go. This feature would be available for Marketing Starter, Marketing Pro, and Marketing Enterprise users. So guys, this is how HubSpot will make your email marketing much more easier in the near future via this feature. And in case you want to get up close and personal with more new HubSpot features, or you want our help in order to build something custom of your own on HubSpot, do let us know via the comment section below. Feel free to reach out to us via the QR code on the screen in front of you for a one-on-one consultation call, which is absolutely free, and we will help you build the project of your dreams on HubSpot. So guys, I'll see you soon in the next video.